So welcome to Chimp on Cars. Got a video here today on bay parking. I often get asked what's the easiest way to bay park, and this is the way that I used to teach when I was an instructor. It will get you through your driving test, and more importantly it's what we all do after we've passed our driving test. So what we're going to do is show you how to easily get the car nicely lined up, straight and in a parking bay every single time. Okay then, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then obviously please do so. We've got a few other videos lined up after this and some other fun stuff for after you've passed your test, as well as getting you through your driving test. So let's have a look at bay parking, and I'm going to move the camera to show you what I can see in my mirrors at some point in this, so just bear with the shakiness of the video. So let's give this a go. So making sure it's safe all around first. So I'm just going to pull up between some bays like we all do anyway on our driving test, either in a straight line or on a slight angle. Makes not too much difference. And then I'm going to head over towards a bay, and invariably I'm going to miss that bay, so I'm looking all around, and let's have a look. So obviously a little bit too late, fair enough. So what we do is we then just take a shot forward, and this is the bit where we're making it very easy for ourselves to get in the bay. So I'm going to go forwards and get the car lined up, and I'll show you what this looks like in a sec. Okay then, so let's have a look at this in the mirrors, and I'll tell you what I've done. So basically, do you see the mirror just there? Do you see the white line in that mirror? Brilliant. You can see that's in a nice straight line. My car's nicely lined up with it. As to is this one over here, you can see the white line. You can see I'm perfectly lined up with it. My steering wheel's straight. Everything is nice and straight. Okay, so basically I've done all the work now, haven't I? Is all I've got to do is stick it in reverse, make sure I'm safe, and go back in a straight line. We can all drive in a straight line, can't we, even on our first driving lesson? So I'm just going steadily back. I'm in an automatic. If I was in a manual car, obviously I'd just be using a little bit of biting point, nothing more. And I'm just going back until, and I've got parking sensors on this car, that's the noise you can hear. I'm just going back until I'm in the bay, and then I'm just going to secure the car, show the examiner that I'm done. Okay, so that's how we bay park in a straight line. That's the easiest way to bay park. Give it a go, practice when you can.